Hello friends, welcome back to our channel Exam Buddy. Now let's do our assignment Training of Trainers Week 9 Assignment 9. So the first question is which is among below is false about social sensitivity. So these are the option and now let's check the answer of our first question. So question first, social sensitivity in one word is empathy. It is ability of an individual to sense what other feels and think from their own point of view. So the answer of our first question is A. Now, the second question is which theory emphasizes that learning occurs by observation of behavior? So these are the option and the answer of our second question is D, social learning theory. Now let's go to our question number 3. In behavior modeling, dash is one of a set of behaviors that are necessary to complete a task. So these are the option key behavior, fraudulent, abusive, aggressive. So the answer of our third question is A, key behavior. Now, the fourth question is state true and false in behavior modeling. Key behaviors are typically performed in a specific order for the task to be completed. True or false? So, let's check the answer of our fourth question. So, question fourth. In behavior modeling, key behaviors are typically performed in a specific order for the task to be completed. So, the answer of our fourth question is A, true. Now, the fifth question is dash present trainees with a model which demonstrate key behaviors to replicate and provide trainees the opportunity to practice the key behaviors. So, these are the option. And now, let's check the answer of our fifth question. So, question fifth, behavior modeling presents trainees with a model who demonstrates key behaviors to replicate and provides trainees with the opportunity to practice the key behaviors. So the answer of our fifth question is C. Now the sixth question is what is the first step in cost benefit analysis? So these are the option and now let's check the answer of our sixth question. So question sixth, step of cost benefit analysis. Identify outcomes, example quality, accidents. So the answer of our sixth question is A. Identify the outcomes. Now the seventh question is which is not among the displayed key behavior in role play. So these are the option creativity, persuasion, time mismanagement, adaptability. So let's check the answer of our seventh question. So question 7, displayed key behavior in role play, creativity, persuasion, adaptability. So the answer of our seventh question is C, time mismanagement. Now the eighth question is which of the following is not one of the importance of training cost information. So these are the option and now let's check the answer of our eighth question. So question 8, training cost information is important for to understand total expenditure for training, to compare the cost of alternative training programs, to evaluate the proportion of money spent on training development, administration, and evaluation. So the answer of our eighth question is D, ignores cost control. Now the ninth question is what does ROI stand for? So these are the option resource on income, return on ink tax, return on investment, reception on investment. So the answer of our ninth question is C, return on investment. Now the 10th question is this is the process of determining the economic benefits of a training program using the accounting methods that look at training cost and the benefits. So these are the option trial balance, bills of exchange, cost benefits analysis, bank reconciliation. So let's check the answer of our 10th question. So question 10th, cost benefit analysis is the process of determining the economic benefits of a training program using accounting methods that look at training costs and benefits. So the answer of our 10th question is C, cost benefit analysis. Now submit your answer. Thank you friends for watching our video.